Chairperson of
yes.
To this country, what are we supposed to show so that
for the cabinet secretary sitting in for the chair? Thank you.
Traditional areas where tea was grown, including Kiambu, we know that production has been going down because of pressure from real estate. So Kenya has to look for alternative areas where it can grow its tea to keep up with its supply obligations with our export market. So for that to be done, I'm sure you're aware in areas like Laikipia, we're already doing the coffee, in Uasin Gishu and Kitale and some Bungoma, places where coffee and some of those export commodities are not there, we are trying to introduce them, and working together with the county governments, we can expand that space.